You must have all come across the phrase smart names. So, what is a smart name? Just like you have a unique identity in real life in the form of a name that allows you to have social, personal, and commercial relationships with the world around you. Smart names are your single unique identity on the internet. The one name that you use to identify yourself on the internet, the one name that others can use to find you on the internet. Now, smart names can be in English, vernacular languages, or even emojis depending on your personal preferences. Now, smart names have many interesting use cases. For example, if I have the smart name Sergeant.Nair. Now, Sergeant.Nair can be a domain name, just like, say, google.com or something else. It supports email ID, so I could have an email ID that goes hi@sergeant.nair or hello@sergeant.nair. Now, if sergeant.nair is in English, it will be an English email ID. If it's a vernacular or an emoji smart name, then the email ID can be in vernacular script or even an emoji. Your smart name can become your de facto financial address, such as for UPI, for international fiat transfers, and your universal crypto wallet address. Smart names will also be your single sign-on to dApps. It will be the name for your avatar in the metaverse. The thing is, smart names are programmable. And the fact that it's a programmable name means its use cases are only limited by human imagination. And as many startups are building on Handshake, the base protocol for smart names, and we are also building many use cases, over time, smart names on Handshake will be the default ID or identity for internet users worldwide. If you're a business or an entrepreneur who's looking for the next billion-dollar opportunity, let me recommend Handshake as a platform. And if you want to know more, please check out the video in the link. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.